If your arc fault breaker keeps tripping and it's powering both your lights and the outlets, you just made one of the most common wiring mistakes I see on job sites. Today I'll be explaining why mixing lighting and receptacle circuits on the same arc fault breaker is a bad idea and how it can lead to hours of wasted troubleshooting. Here's the problem. An outlet fault can trip the breaker, and you lose lighting too. In some cases, the lighting itself causes the trip due to arc fault detection sensitivity. So always remember, when you do want to test, make sure you use your plug-in tester for safe and accurate reading to determine if you're hot and your neutral is in the reverse position, or even sometimes your grounding could be in the reverse also. Arc fault breakers monitoring current flow for irregularities. When you combine different types of loads like lightning, ballast, and receptacles, the noise and harmonics can trigger a fault strip. Add shear neutrals into the mix, and the breaker thinks it's seeing an arc fault, even if everything is wired right. So always remember, when possible, don't combine both lighting and receptacles on the same circuit. It can cause a big issue once it comes to troubleshooting. (26.652) Branch circuits below ground in areas designed as flood or hazard. Where branch circuits are located below ground level in areas designed as flood hazard zones, ground fault protection shall be provided to de-energize all normally underground conductors with your ground fault settings sufficient to allow normal operation of connected loads under normal conditions. 26.700 General, see Appendix B. I go to 2, except provided for by all other rules of this code, receptacles having configuration in accordance with diagrams 1 and 2 shall be connected only to circuits having a nominal system voltage and ampere rating corresponding to the rating of the configuration. So basically what it comes down to, in theory, best practice, you should always try to avoid running circuits like lighting and receptacles together, and avoid sharing neutrals between AFCI circuits unless the breaker is designed for it, like a 2-pole AFC for multi-wire branch circuits. So remember, separate your circuits, avoid unnecessary trips, and make your life a whole lot easier. Subscribe for more troubleshooting guides and electrical code tips, and also don't forget to like, share, and I'll see you guys on the next video.